Hello and welcome to our brand new user guide for IceRiver Hosting, your go-to destination for crypto mining machine hosting in collaboration with Circle Hash. Today we're going to walk you through how to navigate and efficiently utilize our platform, ensuring you get the most out of your crypto mining experience. Order Miner. Here you can find a list of available miners, which you can simply order, and they will be delivered and installed into one of the hosting centers you've chosen. After the installation, you can find your miner in the Workers section, where you can check all of your miners and their properties like status, location, energy, fees, etc. If you click on the name of your miner, you can see details of that particular miner. Over here you can manage the miner actions. You can restart or turn off the miner. You can see statistics of the miner, like average total hash rate, pool rejection rate, your earnings from that miner, and energy and fees you're paying for that miner. Down below you can find some more details about pools, temperatures, and how the fans are set. In Dashboard, you have a summary of your mining machines and all of the most important information such as total estimated balance, total average hash rate, workers that are online or waiting for the installation. Over here you can see your estimated balance and total rewards from your miners. In the Wallet section, you can see your balance in Bitcoin, Kaspa, and USDT for the energy and fees. You have to check that your USDT balance is not zero. If your balance won't be over zero, your machines will be automatically turned off because you won't have any credits for the energy and fees left. You can add funds here and decide the duration for which you want to top up your energy and fees to ensure seamless operation of your miners. Or you can go to Exchange, where you can simply exchange your asset however you like. You can also exchange, for example, some of your Kaspa coins for energy and fees credit. For example, we can try to exchange 50 Kaspa coins. You can also turn on the Circle Auto Exchange so your mined coins can be automatically convert into USDT wallet. We also have Circle Auto Investment that will be available soon. It's an option for investing your balance in the most profitable miner for max returns. If you would like to withdraw your money, you can do it over here. You'll just put your Kaz wallet address, or the same thing for your Bitcoin wallet address. And then in the withdrawal option, you can request your withdrawal. In transactions, you can see list of all of the transactions. Here you can see details of your information, such as date, destination address, amount, fees, and status of that particular transaction. You can also check your transaction on the Kaspa Explorer, where you can clearly see your transactions in transit. Recently, we added repair logs, where you can check if there was some problem with your machines or if there was some repair that had to be done. Thank you for watching our user guide for IceRiver Hosting, in partnership with Circle Hash. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to effectively use our platform for your crypto mining needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy mining, and see you next time.